Oh, 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 oh!
I'm in your wall. Judges, you better pick this one.
Or else. Oh, 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 oh. Mrs. Vernon, here it comes.
Run! Run! Get out of here! Go! There.
Look behind you. I'm there.
Hey, Miss Vernon, I think you should pick this pumpkin. Thank you.
I'm at Burger King with my Burger Queen. Can I please get a large fry? She's vegan, please, so don't put no cheese.
With some
Honey mustard on the side.